Hello everyone, I am Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. And most of you know I am an eBay reseller. I've been doing that for many years, and I also sell on my channel sometimes, my YouTube channel. I've been absent for a little while and I want to explain why. I am going to do an unboxing when I'm done explaining that of this fun box. I hope it's a fun box. I'm not sure which one it is, but I think it's a fun box. Anyway, but before I get to that, I wanted to bring up something. It took me 3 weeks to even think about this, explaining this, because it's been a blow to my, it's taken the wind out of my sails. I'm sad to say it has done that, at least when it comes to posting on YouTube. Okay, I'm just gonna explain what happened. I, as you know, sometimes sell on my videos. I sell this product, that product, whatever I have. I will sell it to somebody and I will send an invoice I will send them an invoice. And I was using PayPal to do that. And I've never had any problems. By the way, I've been a member of PayPal since right after it came out. Like, I don't even know, probably 25 or 30 years ago, somewhere in there. It was my main payment method on eBay for many years. And then after eBay got their own payment system, I still use PayPal for my payments on YouTube. So many of you people who are watching this buy from me and have bought from me various times. You probably all know that I ship the same day. I pay part of the shipping, and usually you get the better end of the deal. That's how I do things. I want to make sure people who buy things from me are happy. If you ever haven't been, please let me know. But I've never had one complaint on PayPal in my whole life. Not ever. Not one single one ever. And about a month ago, I sent somebody an invoice, somebody from YouTube here. I sent them an invoice and they paid it. And then, so I shipped out their item to whatever their address on file was with PayPal. Well, I hadn't realized in between that whole thing, they had sent me another email saying, oh, can you please ship to this other address? Well, I hadn't seen it. And so I just shipped to their address on file. Well, then that person didn't come to me afterwards. They went to PayPal and they opened a dispute and said that this person didn't ship to the address that I said. And so PayPal asked me for information and I said, well, it was delivered. I shipped it to the address on file. And I woke to about I don't know, a week later, I woke up on a Sunday morning to a note saying, you've been deactivated from PayPal, like forever. And you don't get, like, that's it. They didn't give me any, they gave me some standard sentence about, you should look at our, due to this and that reason, they didn't give me what reason, but they said it could be any of these things. You will no longer be eligible to use any PayPal services ever again. And there's nothing you can do. Like, there's nothing I could do about it. They said, they asked me for a few pieces of information. They said they were going to review it and get back to me. They never did. I finally called someone there and they said, oh, there's nothing we can do about this. I said, can you tell me how many incidents I've ever had? How many customer complaints? And they said, yeah, only one that we can see. One, ever, in 25 years. And I wasn't even shipping it. I shipped it to the address on file. And so I have worked since that time to be recovered in PayPal, but no luck. So I no longer can ever use PayPal again, like ever. I can't buy things. By the way, I used to buy 2-3 things a week using PayPal. So I can't, I'm done on PayPal. I can never use it again. And it said because one of the sentences was, well, from what we can see, it looks like customers were not happy with your services. Well, that was one customer, and they never gave me a chance to dispute it. So I lost a lot of sleep about this. I grew up in a family that said your integrity and your word is everything. It's everything. You can't cancel when you said you were going to do something, and don't ever rip people off. I mean, this is how I grew up. My parents were like, oh, there's a dance at your school. You said you'd babysit. No, you can't go. So anyway, I have 100% positive feedback on eBay. I took this to heart. I have cried many tears about this. I know it might sound silly because it's just a payment method, right? But it has been part of my life for so many years, and now all of a sudden, some entity out there thinks I'm a fraud. I'm not a fraud. I'm far from a fraud. I lose money on most of these boxes. Anyway, so I've been butthurt about that. Not against anyone out here. Maybe the person who did it. She's blocked from my channel, so she's probably watching this, but she's not able to comment. But it's been very disappointing. I thought about giving up YouTube. I don't want to do that, but I just felt so bad about what happened. I don't know how to explain it any other way. It's been a horrible journey the last month, and other things have been happening that are add to it, but it makes me really, really sad. PayPal made it easy to ship things, and if you are using PayPal, I don't think I'm the only one that this is happening to. I wonder if there are more. I don't know. But let me just tell you, you should probably look at alternatives. Someone told me it might be because I sell live. I don't know. I don't sell live. I sell from my videos, but I don't sell live. I don't know. They wouldn't give me an explanation. They would not, even when I had them on the phone. They said people were unhappy with your products and services. So, one person over 25 years. All right, moving on from that. I'm not going to move on from it in my own mind, but for this video, I will, I promise you. I'm bummed about it, to be honest. I'm looking at another payment method now. Because of what's going on, I'm not selling anything from my video today. I'm just doing an unboxing. So if you want to follow along with me, lovely. I can sell all this on eBay. That's never been the problem. I do this because I think people think it's fun. And after that person, I just can't believe it. Anyway, there we go. Here is the fun box. But if you are using PayPal to sell things, you might want to look at other options. I got dropped without any explanation or any way to defend myself. All right, here is the fun box. First, look, we've got something. I don't know what this is. Looks like a cast. Oh no, cuteness. It's one of these containers for your water bottle. How cute. Is there a label on this? It's like that neoprene material. And then it's got a strap. So you go into a festival or something, you can put your water bottle in there. How cute. That's really cute. All right, let's see. What else do we have? We might have like a florally type theme going on here. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is cute. It looks like a computer, this is like it almost has the backing of a rug, or it's like the backing that a mouse pad would have. But that's an awfully big mouse pad. I'm not even sure if it's like a craft pad or what that is. But it's got like a shiny front. It looks brand new. Ooh, I love to craft, and so I think I'll be keeping that one. That is really cute. All right, next up we've got these things, which I'm just gonna throw. Okay, wow. Oh, we've got a really cute. Oh, this is like a little purse that matches along with this. This matches. Remember how I had this? Well, there's this that goes with it. Super cute pattern with mushrooms. Oh my gosh, it looks brand. Oh, it's a little lunchbox. That's cute. It's insulated. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. The lunchbox and it'd be great for a field trip or something. All right, very, very cute. What should we do next? Let's do this one. I love fun boxes. Aren't they just fun? All right, so we've got decorated mesh lace sheer socks, 2 pairs embroidery, 1 size. Okay, they're cute. Look at these. I am keeping those. Those are so cute. Look at that. I will definitely wear those. They've got gold on kind of a sheerish looking netting. You've got the black and then you've got the white. Super cute. Super cute. All right. What is next? Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? They're binoculars. I love binoculars. I will use binoculars. I can't believe I'm getting so many things I like. 4x30 coated. They're brand new binoculars with a little string. I've never seen anyone get binoculars in one of these, and I've never gotten any. So that's kind of fun. Something useful I can definitely make use of. Okay, let's see what is next. This pair of sunglasses is going next. Are they branded? I don't think so. I don't see any branding on either one of the sides. So I don't think that they are branded. Huh. Nope. But they're really cute. They've got a yellowish, that Top Gun, you know, kind of frame. So, all right. This is just crazy. The stuff they put in here, it just makes me laugh. Okay, next up is this thin flashlight. All right, we got ourselves a thin flashlight here. It's magnetic too, by the way. Kind of cool. All right, wow. This is the weirdest fun box I've ever gotten, but it kind of does have a pinky, florally theme to it. These are bra strap perfect for your bra. All right, I don't really know exactly what that is, but I guess it's to conceal it. Concealer clips. All right. Weird. Okay, we just got a lot of weirdness going on. Nothing, you know, I'm not trying to be mean, but it's just like odd. Okay. Next thing is a ring. It's kind of like shaped like a cat, but I don't remember what you call that when you put it on your finger and you can go bum bum and hang, you know, if someone's trying to hurt you or something. Yeah, that just, I don't know. It's almost a it's a little too dangerous. I wouldn't want to accidentally poke someone with that thing. So anyway, but it's a ring. I don't know what size, but that's a ring. All right. Ooh, then you got these cute. Is this earrings? No, this is. We've got ourselves one earring. One earring. Or, oh, it's a climber. So that's really cute. Okay, so you put and it looks like real stones in there too. You put, I'll go like this. This part goes through your ear, and then this is the clip. So I guess you go like that. It's gonna look like this. Super cute. I've never seen one of those before, but it's an earring climber. Okay, alrighty. All right, two more things. The next one is a book. The Art of Hearing Heartbeats. The Art of Hearing Heartbeats. I don't know. It looks like it's a cute design, that's for sure. It's got a butterfly on it. It's a novel, and I don't know. Okay. Books are good. All right, one thing left. What is this thing? Rip skirt. Live like you're on vacation. All right. One size. It comes like this. What? Oh. Okay, that's a scarf. Isn't it? Okay, that's a scarf with like kind of like the cosmos on it. And then this is, what is it? It says rip skirt. I don't know what a rip skirt is. One size. Well, you got me. I don't know. This is the weirdest fun box I've ever gotten. But you know what I like about it? There's a lot of unique stuff. It's not just your average stuff. I don't know if this goes with it. I don't know. But we got that. We got these sunglasses. We have got this bra extender. A set of 3. A book. A climber earring. Just one. My hair is a little crazy today. I haven't been doing videos lately, so anyway, a flashlight, probably from the dollar store, cost $1 or so, I would think. Weird cat ring that could hurt somebody, so I probably will never wear it. But this cute pair of stockings, binoculars, a lunch box, bottle holder, and then this thing that I don't know what it is. All right, that's the fun box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for continuing to watch my channel. I hope you know how much I appreciate it, and I do intend to find a new payment platform and be out here again. I don't know why it has taken me so long to recover. I'm just butthurt. I feel bad. I just feel bad about the whole thing. So actually, the first couple times I tried to make a video, I started crying. And so I'm not out here to make anyone sad. So, all right. Thank you so much, and we'll see you out here next time.